Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello and welcome dear students to this video in which we will be revising Module 6 Keyword Vocabulary. Choose A, B, C or D. Question number 1. Space is a serious problem in modern society. A. Agriculture. B. Boundary. C. Campaign. D. Poverty. Of course, the serious problem in our modern society is D. Poverty. Question number 2. This text is sparse and badly written. I can hardly understand anything. Which means I can almost understand nothing. A. Automatic. B. Dense. C. Imaginary. D. Vulnerable. Of course, the correct answer here is B. Dense. Question number 3. If you want to space your goals, you have to work. So A. Accomplish, which means achieve. B. Astonish, which means amaze. C. Concern, to be concerned with something. D. Satisfy, satisfy needs or something. What is the correct answer? Sure, A. If you want to accomplish your goals, to achieve your goals. Question number 4. My father couldn't space his disappointment when I told him I had failed my exams. A. Cease. B. Conceal. C. Dominate. D. Isolate. Cease means stop. Conceal means hide. Dominate means control or have power over someone or something. And finally, isolate means separate one thing from another. So here, my father couldn't hide his disappointment. The correct answer is B. Conceal. Question number 5. Nowadays, children are exposed to too much violence on TV. A. Conflicted. B. Cultivated. C. Immigrated. And D. Exposed. Of course, the correct answer is they are exposed to too much violence on TV. Question number 6. We were asked to write a space summary of our favorite book during the English lesson. A. Adequate, which means enough. B. Brief, which means short. C. Liberal, which means free. D. Random, which means not organized. Of course, we cannot say adequate. And here the correct answer is a brief summary, a short summary. Question number 7. He accepted the invitation to my graduation with great A. Discipline. B. Enthusiasm. C. Sensation. D. Relief. Of course, he was so enthusiastic. He was so enthusiastic, and he accepted the invitation with great enthusiasm. Question number 8. In space, with life in the countryside, life in the city is very busy. So here it's very clear that we are having a comparison, or we are comparing one thing with another. A, column. B, comparison. C, conscience. D, frontier. Of course, the correct answer is in comparison with. Question number 9. Are you coming with me to the lecture or not? Could you please give me a space answer by the end of the day? A, contemporary. B, definite. C, delighted. D, fertile. What is the correct answer? Yeah, a definite answer. Question number 10. My supervisor spaced some of my ideas into his final proposal. A, crawled. B, integrated. C, irrigated. And D, varied. Of course, we cannot say crawled, but we can say integrated some of my ideas. He used some of my ideas into his final proposal. So the correct answer here is B, integrated. Thank you. Goodbye and good luck.